Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I am here to do a combined haul video of stuff that came in finally after over like 6 weeks, 7 weeks, something like that, and some stuff that I got on Amazon and my Tonic Kit and HSN. So let's go. Woo, woo, woo. Let's start with Amazon, because you know that's always fun. So first off, this is not a crafty haul, but this is like a nostalgia kind of thing. I remember when we were kids and we used to watch the Apple Dumpling Gang when it came on channel 45, when you had to turn the dial with well, we still had a black and white TV. Yeah, we grew up poor. And so you had the black and white TV and you had to turn it to the UHF channel, and because our knob was broken we had to use a plier to turn it there, and the Apple Dumpling Gang would come on and we would watch it, and then we saw the second one. So I thought I had purchased this before, but I couldn't find it. So since it was only $7, I was like, well, let me go ahead and get it before it's gone. So yay. So not a crafty, but a nostalgia. Then always in my planners and stuff, and I love post-it notes and whatever. So how did I not know that there were black post-it notes? I was like, what? Had to buy them. Now these are just a generic brand, but Post-it itself has black post-it notes. Of course they wanted way more for theirs, and I was like, nah. Had to get those. Then of course, let's go with this. I had purchased this stamp set a while ago, and I was like, well, I didn't want to pay how much they want for their dies. Stampendous dies are way too expensive for what you get. They want $16, $17 for these dies, and there's no detail. When you could turn around and buy a tonic die that has massive details for like $3 more. But anyway, so I was like, they're big enough, I'll just use my scan and cut. Well, you guys know I hate my scan and cut. So when I finally decided to buy it, it was out of stock. And then when I didn't want to buy it again, it was in stock. So I just bought it. I was like, forget it, just do it. Then KS Craft Lover Store on Amazon had this in stock. So I went ahead and purchased it. And I like that they put it in, look at my ashy arm. It's I'm so itching. It's ridiculous. I like that they put it in this little sealed plastic bag, because the other ones that you get when you get it from AliExpress, they're that cheap stuff. So this is pretty cool. And then you could actually hang it up again, I guess. So I'm thinking my December daily might have these rings in it. Okay, so then Karen Burniston, oh my gosh, I'm like so obsessed with her stuff. So I went and purchased one of these old sets of hers. Because how cute is that? I mean, come on, y'all. How cute are the cows? And this bull with his big old antlers. And the goat. So I had to get that. And they're like, her dies are too expensive too when it comes to these little ones. But that was so cute. And I don't buy those very often. And I've been wanting this die since I purchased the other die. And this is just cute. It's so, the circle tag book. And it's adorable. Look at that. Look at it. And then so you get all these little details and so forth in here. So this will probably be one of the cards I make here pretty soon. So absolutely love that. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Let me know if you would like me to do a separate video totally that's just on card-based dies, so that like creator cards. Let me know if you would like a video like that, because I have an entire shelf over here of dies like that. Okay, let's do HSN. Speaking of creator cards. Anna Griffin had the square compendium, and it's pretty simple. It comes with these two sets here. So you get a 5x5 square card with your layering dies. And I decided I wasn't going to get this when it came out, because I'm like, it's just a square card. But one, it had free shipping, and two, it was on a little bit of a sale. And when I got to thinking about it, a lot of times you want to make a square card base and it doesn't come out right. So anytime you have a die, it always comes out right. So I went ahead and bought this, and then you have your layering pieces. And I want to do an invertage. Yes, yes, yes. And then it came with the larger one. I think I put them in the same bag. And this one is a 5 by 5, a 5.5 by 5.5 inch square. And so you have your other sets. So that, I finally broke down about that. And I love the fact that she is putting them on magnetic sheets now. That is just awesome because her dyes are so fabulous. They are, to me, they're the best dyes on the market when it comes to like the quality of the dye itself. Because they're thicker, they're heavier gauge. Oh, they're just beautiful. Because this ain't a Griffin. And then I have a bunch of Quilling Dyes from Crafter's Companion, but you just heard what I said. They have the best dyes as far as the quality. So I went ahead and finally broke down and bought this because it was free shipping. And I like that she has two. So when you cut this, you get this side and this side in two separate pieces. So I'll be interested to play with that. And then this was the last thing I bought on that free shipping deal was the snow globe. And I had put off buying this too because I have several snow globes. And actually the best snow globe dye I have is a tighter lace one. So you can let me know if you want to see that one again. But I loved the scenes that they had in the little extra bits, right? And so you could layer it up and do little circles. You could just do the circles if you wanted. You could cut it into your card. You could cut it out of your card. You can do it as the base or not. So I finally broke down and did it because they had free shipping. So that was my Anna from HSN. All right, here's the other thing from HSN, and then the rest of it is just Crafter's Companion website. So I was trying to see if I could find the original die, but I don't see it. So they came out, Crafter's Companion came out with a gable box, and there it is. Well, you can at least see the picture. So there's the gable box. And then this was supposed to be the first auto ship a while ago, but it was delayed. So it turns it into a beach shack. The next one they have is a Halloween one. So I'm waiting on that. So that came in. Then the rest of the Crafter's Companion is from their actual website. And we'll just skip the drama of this package, but they had the tri-blends, a tri-blend like starter pack, test me pack came out. So I went ahead and got that because y'all know I do love my coloring. And then they had the over the edge peekaboos. And these are the only three I didn't have. So, and it was a fabulous deal. It was like $9 or something. And then I'm platinum member, so I get my 20% off. So I paid $7 and some change for all three. Not each, all three. And so I was like, yes. So the little hippo, he's adorable. His little bum, look at his little bum. His little booty is hanging over the edge. So cute. And then they had the owl. He's just funny. And then they had the mouse. So that came as a set. So that actually completes my collection, which is sometimes why, this is just a hint. So if you do watch HSN and Crafter's Companion stuff comes on, unless it's something that's going to sell out like right then and there, you can wait, because 9 times out of 10, they're going to have it on their website eventually. And 9 times out of that 10, it's going to be on a ridiculous discount at some point. And this is another example. I love their creator cards, even though, like, I think these old ones they didn't have a coating or something. I don't know, because they're awfully hard to get out sometimes. But this was a cute butterfly. And the wings come up and it creates the front of your card. And this mug was $4. And that's not what it would have been when it came out. And I got it for less because I got my 20% discount. I was trying to see if there was a date on here. Everything is so small. You guys, it's so ridiculous. I'm gonna have to get bifocals. Makes me feel so old. Okay, then this is exactly what I was talking about too. Like the Enchanted Christmas that went gaga on HSN. It sold out like really quickly. Well, they had a bunch of it on their site a while later, so I was just like, I'll just wait. Now, so this came at a good price with some paper pad. Now, these are 2 dies that are foiling dies. I don't have a foil press, so I'll probably be selling these off. So, you can let me know if you do have a foil press, because I don't have one and I'm not interested. But those came in the kit. You have this set of stamps. I like the font. You know, this die and stamp set, which is so cool because I have the Twilight Christmas from Hunky Dory, so I'm thinking I'm going to mix these and make that my December daily. Then you have some dies with little sentiments that go. So they're what? Wishing you a magical Christmas, sparkle, and winter, which are what these are. Then they had some more of the silhouette stamps in the whole like fairy tale thing. And I actually have some of these stamps. They weren't necessarily in this Enchanted Christmas collection, but they came out as Fairy Christmas. And then there is this 3D embossing folder. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. I might destash it, but I do want to try it. So we shall see. So there are those pieces. Then it came with the paper pad, which is very hard. It's kind of hard to get the paper pad now. So let me see. So I'm just going to do a quick flip through. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm just going to show you on the back. So you can see the whole twilighty Christmas silhouette thing going on. And my Hunky Dory is we'll fix with this. Now it has yellow, red, greens, and I think a blue, but I think it will mix well with this. So yeah, there we go with that. Then the other thing I got was the tropical collection. So this is another thing, like I said on HSN, they'll put this whole big mega collection on or whatever, and most of the time they'll turn around and put it on their website, and a lot of times it will then go on sale, you know, a couple months later, really cheap. So I had purchased part of the tropical collection on HSN, and then I was like, I'm not getting that paper, it's too expensive. They wanted way too much for it. So guess what? I got all three of these for what, $17 instead of like $17 a pack. So I got this one, which is the luxury matte mirror, the mirror, and the glitter. So that was as a pack together for $17. So I was like, yes, because I do love their cardstock. Their cardstock is awesome. Okay, I was thinking about doing this in a separate video, but I'm just going to show it all in one, because even though I like this, this wasn't a spectacular tonic box. So this is kit number 35. It's the Rustic Rose collection. So they have these papers. I do love that one. It's so lovely. Reminds me of gingerbread. And then, of course, you see these are very pinkish. They have this peach tone to them, too, but there's a lot of pinky in there. You've got glitter. So pink posy, which I think I might have this already from a different one. And then you have this crystal drop, which is, let me see. I have to put it up to my eyeballs. Heritage Rose crystal drops. They give you some shimmer powder, this falling leaves, and I think this stuff is like that color burst stuff. I've never used it, but I think I'm going to, because it's green, so I can try it with this Christmas stuff. And then we have some more what do you call these, like sequins? That's what you call them, sequins, not sequences. A sequence is an order. Sequins are these. I can't help it. It's the English teacher thing that comes out. Then we have some Nouveau Flakes. And then they gave you some fine glitter. Not glitter, embossing powder. And then, of course, the dies and the stamps are always fun. So you got this nice little stamp set here. And I love this font that they put on this. So that's always cool because you get all these different sayings. And then you have the dies. Now see, this is why I said this wasn't one of my favorite ones, but I forgot to cancel it. So there you go. So you've got a tag that layers up. That's what these are. It's got an embossed flower design, which is cool. I mean, it's cool, but it's not one of my favorites. Then you got the frames, the words. Now the words I really liked. And then you've got little pieces for the flowers here. So that's that. Like I said, it wasn't that fabulous. And there's the crafty thing. But like I said, I forgot to cancel it. Eek. And then here's your papers. So clearly they have that rose gold kind of thing going, which is gorgeous. Now this stuff is gorgeous right here. And then you've got this peach one. This is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see the texture on it. That's a gorgeous piece of paper. This pinky one. This is fabulous. This is that holographic. So it's rose, it's like a rose gold, but it's got a holographic. So you can see the difference. See that? It's basically the same color, but they have that holographic on there. It is fabulous. These hearts. This is beautiful right here. And then some pink glitter. Okay, so that's what came in. I'm waiting for some other stuff. And then, you know, hey, don't forget that tomorrow is the first day of our new collab at 10 o'clock a.m. So come along and see us. And then don't forget to play along. Yes. All right, you guys be safe out there. Have a good day.